Hey everybody, I'm Daniel Thompson and I'm going to teach you some basic music theory. We're going to go with the chromatic scale. So, the music alphabet goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It goes around in cycles. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now, in between all of these notes, apart from in between B and C, in between E and F, are sharps. Sharp means higher. Higher than the A is A sharp. Higher than the C is C sharp. Higher than the D is D sharp. Higher than F is F sharp. Higher than G is G sharp. So this is our chromatic scale. A sharp. B, C, C sharp. D, D sharp. E, F, F sharp. G, G sharp. A. If we started from D sharp, we would go D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp. And we can practice this by using rhythm. So if I tap 3, 4 or click 1, 2, I would say a note on every other beat. So A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. Practice it. Leave me some comments below telling me how you got on with this, and I'll see you in a bit. Peace.